Hi everyone, it's Timotheus here, and today I've got something incredible to share with you. It's called Wealthy Affiliate Hubs, and it's a total game changer for anyone looking to kickstart and elevate their online business. Go to the description below, try Wealthy Affiliates by clicking on the link. So what exactly are Wealthy Affiliate Hubs? Well, they are a suite of tools and training and support designed to turbocharge your online business growth. It's nestled within the Wealthy Affiliate platform, the platform is a veteran in the affiliate marketing industry for over 18 years. These hubs are your secret weapon to success. Think of Wealthy Affiliate Hubs as advanced dashboards that open doors to everything you need for online success. You can connect your hub to a new or existing website and voila! Instant guidance on optimizing your site for maximum results. You'll have access to core training, milestones, niche research, content creation, and a whole lot more. But why do you need Wealthy Affiliate Hubs? Well, simple. To turn your passion into a thriving online business. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, these hubs empower you to discover your ideal direction, your business direction, launch a stunning website, drive traffic, and monetize with affiliate marketing. Getting started with Wealthy Affiliate Hubs is a breeze and it won't cost you a dime. You can create a free account on Wealthy Affiliate and you will get access to free business hub and website. Follow the step-by-step instructions to set up your hub and website and you're on your way to learning and earning online. For those hungry for more features and benefits, there's a premium membership. Unlock more hubs and websites, gain access to advanced training, live classes, expert coaching, community support, and much more. In conclusion, Wealthy Affiliates hubs are a revolutionary way to jumpstart and expand your online business. They are part of the Wealthy Affiliate platform, the epicenter of affiliate marketing. Are you ready to turn your passion into profits? Join Wealthy Affiliate. Create your free business hub and website today and witness the incredible learning and earning potential. Go to the description below and click the link. I hope you enjoyed this video and I can't wait to see you on Wealthy Affiliate. I wish you good health, wealth, and success.